In this video, I will show you how to create and set up Upwork account for web developers. So to get started, go ahead and head over into Upwork. So you can go ahead and install the Upwork application on your device, or you can also access the website on your device. Now, once you're on Upwork, go ahead and sign up for an account on Upwork. So you need to enter your basic information and provide your tax identification number. So once you have created an account on Upwork, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then click on profile. On your profile, go ahead and click on this plus icon beside the view profile section to be able to add a specialty for your Upwork account. So go ahead and click on that plus icon at the right side of the view profile, and then in here go ahead and name your specialized profile. So you can go ahead and select the specialty to begin with. So click on this see all button to be able to look for the specialty in here. So click on this, and then in here you can go ahead and search for your specific specialty as a web developer. There are different niches for web developers, so make sure to select the niche where you specialize. Now click on next, and then in this next page you'll need to go ahead and select your skills and expertise relevant to the website development job that you claim to offer to your client. So simply select the e-commerce database, development deliverables, platforms, development skills, and payment systems. You can also add other skills by clicking on the search other skills. So you can use this to search for that other skills and add that. Now click on save and continue to continue, and then in here you'll need to name your title as a web developer. So make sure that you name your title with a single sentence description of your professional skills or experience. Now click on save and continue to continue with the next step once you're done entering your title into this section. On the next page, you'll need to create your profile overview for that specific specialized profile, and then select the jobs relevant to that specialized profile, which you can find available on your general profile. You can also select relevant items from your Upwork portfolio that you want to add to your specialized profile, and then review your specialized profile before you go ahead and continue on publishing it on Upwork as a specialized profile. And that's basically how you can create and set up Upwork account for web developers.